Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the phone and opening settings. Make sure it has power and Wi-Fi. Once there, go to additional settings and then privacy permissions so you can see which apps request data or show overlays. You want to identify likely ad sources, browser, themes, or system apps so you can target them. Once done, note any unfamiliar apps and the permissions they have. This lets you focus the next steps on the actual ad generators rather than guessing. Now you revoke the permissions that let ads appear. For each suspect app, tap permissions and turn off show pop-up window or display over other apps. These stop intrusive overlays. Next, go to notifications and revoke permission for any app that pushes ads into your shade. If an app is clearly responsible and not needed, uninstall or disable it. For system apps, choose disable or remove updates. Make sure to reboot after major changes. Finish by turning off personalized ads and add content in settings right arrow privacy, right arrow advertising, or Google settings. This reduces tracked ads. Then clear caches for offending apps and if needed, reset app preferences to undo hidden permissions. If ads still show, boot into safe mode to test. If ads stop, an installed app is the culprit. Uninstall recent installs. As a last resort, backup data and perform a factory reset. If nothing stops them, contact Realme support for firmware-level help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.